Everyone, I'm Ms. Jessica. I'm the children's librarian here at the Terryville Public Library, and this video is to show you how to register for the online summer reading program this year. So I'm going to share my screen so that I can walk you through it. Okay, so to register for the online program this year, there is an online option and a paper option. They're the same exact thing. It's just the way in which you are logging your things. So you just choose one and you're going to stick with it. For the online one, you are going to go to terryvillepl.readsquared.com. If you go to that page before June 21st, which is the first day of the summer reading program, it is going to look like this. This is the coming soon page, and it has a nice countdown, how many days until the summer reading program starts. After June 21st, it will look like this. It shows all the different programs that you can register for. We have 4 different categories. So you're going to choose from the teen program, which is for teens age 13 to 17, the adult program, which is adults age 18 and up, the independent reader program, which is for kiddos that are reading on their own up to age 12, and the Read to Me program, which is for kiddos from birth up until they start to read independently all by themselves. All right, so I am going to register as if I did not have an account last year. I'm also going to show you how to go on if you already have an account from last year. So I'm going to click over here and click register now. And I'm going to fill out some information. I am going to say I'm going to register my kiddo. So as parents, you have to register each child individually. Just like with the paper program, you would have to have individual logs for all of your kiddos. With the online, you each have an account. The best way to keep track of all that is just to make the usernames your kiddos' names and make the passwords all the same exact thing, so you don't have to remember too much. So I'm registering my 3-year-old. And I am sending them up for the Read to Me program because they are not yet reading on their own. Then I'm going to put in their name. The important piece is definitely the phone number. All right, because if you win a prize in the summer reading program, that is how we're going to be able to let you know. We'll give you a call and an email. For the same reason, we can get a hold of you that way. You must choose a school. If your kiddo is not yet in school, you could just hit not yet in school. There's preschool, there's all of these schools in the district. Other, homeschool, or no longer in school. So I'm going to say my kiddo is in preschool. I'm going to make them a username. So my child's username is just going to be child. Password is just going to be child test. Make sure. Start over again. Child test 1. Child test 1. And it doesn't really matter for this because I'm going to delete this. It's not a real one. All right, I'm going to choose whether or not I want book recommendations and then just hit continue. And that is it. That's all you do. Once the program has started, you will have the ability to log your reading, to change your avatar to look to something cool. And this is in all the programs, not just this program. And for the children's department programs, the Read to Me and the independent program, there will be missions to complete as well. These things are going to be the exact same thing that you would get on a paper log, just a virtual option for it. All right. So that is how you register for a new account. I'm going to log out of that. And now I am going to try to go back in as if I were registered last year. So I would have to put in my username and my password. I would have to remember my password from last year. If you don't remember your password, or if you don't remember your username for that matter, give the library a call. We can look you up. We can tell you what your username is, and we can reset your password. We can't tell you what the old password was, but we can reset it. So I'm going to put in username and password. There we go. And then it will come up with the screen. It says that my program has ended or I am not enrolled in an active program. So I'm going to hit enroll. It's asking me to update my information. So maybe I've gotten older, so I can change the age and what program I want. Since I'm pretending this is myself, I'm going to go to the adult program and enroll. And it's as simple as that. Then you can update this if you have a new phone number, a new email, anything like that. And that's it. That is how you register for the online summer reading program this year. To see any of our events or any of the other great stuff we're doing this summer, definitely check out our website. It is terryvillepl.info, and there will be a summer reading tab, or you could also look at the events calendar to see all the awesome events that we have coming up. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.